A few days ago, I recorded the best video I had ever recorded. I had the best energy, I had the best fluency, I had the best storytelling. It was the best video I have recorded so far. When I checked the footage back, I was blurred the whole time. I was so freaking pissed. The video had 20 minutes. It was such a good video. And it didn't record. And I couldn't upload it. I was so freaking mad. That day I also had a dentist appointment. It was a bad day. I was so freaking pissed that I couldn't upload the video. That the video wouldn't see the light. That the video wouldn't be watched by my viewers. But okay. After a while I took a deep breath and thought to myself, okay, I'm gonna re-record it. I'm gonna re-record it later. And maybe it's not gonna be as good. But it shows a point. It shows that I can record such videos. It shows that I can be such a good storyteller. It shows that I can be so energetic and fluent in front of camera. Even though the video I would re-record wouldn't be as good. I tried to look for positives even in negative scenarios. But later, it turned out that my new camera came. And I could record the video with the better camera. And I was like, thank God for it. For that bad thing that happened. Because now, the video that I would re-record would be in a better quality. So a bad scenario turned into a good scenario. But later, it's not over yet. The video I recorded was in some weird extension, and when I converted it to a normal extension, the video was not a good quality. So ironically, I re-recorded this video with a better camera, but the quality is not better at all. And I'm not even mad about it. I was like, I guess this video wasn't meant to be. I still uploaded it, but it's just not as good quality as I wanted it to be. So a bad scenario turned into good scenario, turned into bad scenario. But I'm not mad about it. I can see the light in the tunnel. Because it showed me that I can record such videos. It showed me that even the bad situations turn into the good ones. Even if at first they might look all bad. There will be positives that will come. But you don't know what they are gonna be and when they are gonna be. But I'm telling you, they will all work out for good. Let me tell you another story. I'm on a first date with a girl. And I booked some snooker table. I read all the rules or the dress codes. I read all the rules. And we walk into the reception table. And the receptionist is like, how old are you? And we're like, we are under 18. And she's like, no, you can't come. Even though I read in the fucking rules that we could. She said, no, you can't. And we couldn't go to the snooker table. It seems like a fucking bad situation. The only activity in the date that would be something else than walking in the park or eating at a cafe was that snooker. And the receptionist just told us to fuck off. Seems like a very, very bad situation, right? But okay, we walk out of that. I seem cool, even though deep inside I was fucking mad. I just play it cool. We sit in a place and we talk for a few hours. And we had such a good time. And I bet that a better time than we would have otherwise if everything went as planned. If that table was available and we could play on it. So even though this freaking bad situation, a situation that you would never want on the first date, turned into a good situation. So I'm telling you, even if something bad happens, something good will happen afterwards. And it's pretty much always the case. Even that good thing that will happen is your growth in personality, is the lesson that you will take. But you will learn from it, and you will never make the same mistakes again. Good will come after a bad. So do not be sad when a negative thing happens. Because I'm telling you, something good waits for you afterwards. Thanks for watching. Type in comments your questions, subscribe, and see you guys till next time.